I wanna show you guys how to make a film halation and bloom effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, go to your project panel and duplicate your clip. You can do it by holding Alt and clicking and dragging above. Following, go to Effects and write Luma K. Drag the Luma K effect to your clip. Then come back to the effects and write Gaussian blur. Again, drag the Gaussian blur effect to your clip and go to the effects control. Moving to the Luma K, by the threshold, let's write 70%. By the cutoff, 50. And then by the Gaussian blurriness, we can modify the value as much as we want. Of course, you can also play with the value of threshold and cutoff to get the result that you want. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Perfect! Let's grow together! Put your like and subscribe!